everyone. I'm Exploring Neye, and today I bring you an exciting offer. The University of Malta is offering fully funded scholarships for those that want to come for postgraduate studies, master's studies, and PhD. Okay, and this scholarship is going to cover your full tuition. You're going to have a full tuition waiver. And remember, Malta is a country in Europe, very beautiful country. The capital is in Valletta. I hope I got that pronunciation correct. Yeah, finding job is also easy. Living in Malta is relatively cheap compared to other European countries. Okay, and it's friendly with friendly people, and their population is about 553,214 people, according to 2023 World Bank. So this scholarship is going to cover your full tuition, is going to cover your living expenses, and this scholarship is for those coming for postgraduate studies. If you're coming for your postgraduate studies, your master's by research, and as well as your PhD, this scholarship is going to cover you. And the deadline for this scholarship is on October 15, 2025. So we still have much time to apply for this scholarship, right? So if you've not gathered your documents, now is the time for you to start gathering your documents, okay? Gather your documents, your transcripts, your certificates, your statements of purpose, and then for those coming for PhD, you may be required to prepare a research proposal. And even those coming for a research masters, you may be required to also prepare a research proposal. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can search for your course on the university's website and also submit your application. But before we go into that, I want to say a very big thank you to all my returning subscribers. And if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. In this channel, we talk about study abroad tips, global opportunities, scholarships, and so much more. So let's go ahead and see the courses. I'm going to show you the courses that is being offered by this university. So you can use that as a guide when submitting your own application. Guys, this is where we are. This is the University of Malta official website, and you're going to click on that, and this is what it's showing us, University of Malta. As you can see, I think in my previous video, I showed you how you will know the exact university's website that you're looking for. So we click on this, okay, and this is what it's showing us. This is what we have here. You can see a lot of information on anything you need, accommodation, information for international applicants. We have the campuses as well. They have 4 campuses, and these are their facilities in case you want to read on that. The fees and funding, admissions and advice. If you want to read more on that, we have the dates and deadlines as well. So, and for the purpose of this video, I want to show you how you can find your course. Okay, for this university that is offering this scholarship, this fully funded scholarship. So let's go ahead. This is, okay, if you want a full list from A to Z of all the courses, both undergraduate, then if you want it specified, this is undergraduate for bachelor's, postgraduate and research for doctoral and master's programs, and I think some postgraduate diploma courses are also here. Then these are micro credentials, I think, like postgraduate certificates. Okay, now let's go to this place. If you're coming for undergraduate, you can go here to this and click here. All right, so now we have seen, this is the postgraduate. I mean, these are the postgraduate courses that this school is offering. You can see a whole lot here. You can see a whole lot. These are their doctoral programs, and then we have the masters, master in accountancy, creativity and innovation, interpreting studies, probation studies. They have a whole lot. Just keep scrolling. So I'm just scrolling down, but for you, you have to take your time, okay? You have to take your time to be able to see what you're looking for, to see the course that pertains to you. Master in teaching and learning in health and social care. Another thing you have to look out for is this. I think they merged 2024 together with 2025, with courses commencing in 2025. So you have to check it out. And then you also have to check out for courses, if it's full-time or part-time. They always have, I think for each of their courses, they always have part-time and they always have full-time as well. So you choose which one. But for the purpose of this video, because we are talking about the scholarship, right, for international students, so you're going to choose full-time. So let's go ahead and look out for courses commencing in 2025. Okay, we are here. These are courses commencing in 2025. Okay, master in theology. They also have part-time and full-time. Just check for full-time. Be careful to look out for that as well. If you check out the course and it's commencing on October 2025, but not full-time, if it's part-time, please let it go. There, you still continue to check. This is full-time Master of Architecture and Urban Design. They're incorporating this. This is the field. This is 2025, full-time, 4 semesters, that's 2 years. And then this is the campus. All right, remember they have 4 campuses. So this is Master of Arts in Adult Education by Research. Okay, this is part-time. Okay, no. I have Master of Arts in Aging and Dementia. They're also part-time. Another thing to look out for is this starting date. This is February, all right? And as an international student, you cannot enroll in February again because there's no more time. We're already in January. And you need time to prepare for your visa, your everything. That's after you've received your offer letter. So for this video, you are looking out for October 2025. Okay. So these are courses commencing in October. Hope you can see my screen very well. This is Master of Arts in Archaeological Practice, full-time. Okay, October. Okay, still look out for that. This is 2024. Let's keep scrolling. Okay, these are for 2025 now. Master of Arts in Banking and Finance. Then we have, this is part-time and this is full-time attendance. Banking, investments, and finance, which to me is still the same. We have different types of different courses, criminology, we have heritage management, dance studies. These are all Master of Arts in economics, educational leadership and management. English is here. Okay, English with the field in literary studies. Master of Arts in environmental ethics, European global history. They always have it in part-time, February, part-time, full-time February. Then they will also have October 2025, part-time. And then you also see October 2025, full-time. Okay? So make sure to check out for that, please. So you don't make mistakes and apply to the wrong commencing date. European politics, economics, and law. Okay, film studies, financial services. These are all Master of Arts. This is French, geography. You want to study Master of Arts in geography. They also have Master of Science in geography. So you want to study the science aspect of that. Health, medicine, history, history of art, human rights, law and practice, humanitarian action. You have a whole lot. Human insurance and risk management. You have it in full-time and part-time as well. Okay? International relations, you have that as well. So I'm just showing you in case you see the one that pertains to you. I'll be dropping the link to the school website and the link to this direct link of these courses. I'll be dropping it in the description. So you can just click on it and then go ahead with your application. Linguistics, management, marketing, communication, media and communications. You have a whole lot. Mediation, Middle Eastern and Asian languages and cultures. You have a whole lot, guys, a whole lot. So if you've been looking, Master of Arts in Philosophy, part-time, full-time, starting in October 2025. They even have for February 2025, but I think this one would be for EU citizens who wouldn't need a visa to study in Malta. But for you that would need a visa, February, you can apply to February commencing date. Public policy leadership. So they have a whole lot of so many social policy. If you've been searching for your course, maybe you studied the rare course in the university and you have not been able to find it in other schools in other countries, then this is your sign that Malta is calling you. Malta is calling for you. Okay, remember Malta is a very beautiful country. Master of Arts in Sociology. And Malta is a popular destination for tourist attraction. Okay, theater and performance, theater studies, diplomacy, early childhood education. I can see that, and primary education. This is in education, Master of Education. Very nice. To me, this is everything. Master of Engineering, Engineering with Management, Structural Engineering, Master of Fine Arts in Architecture. So this is Master of Gerontology and Geriatrics, European Business Law, International Law, okay, Performance, Psychology in Clinical Psychology, okay, Health. They have that psychology, they have it in different divisions, I think. Okay, this is Health Psychology, this is Forensic Psychology, this is Educational Psychology, all full-time. Neuropsychology is also here. Then we have Master of Science fields, and this is Rural and Environmental Sciences. Okay, They have it full-time as well. Duration is there. Sustainable development, aerospace, anatomy, everything is here. Applied biomedical science, oceanography, Master of Science in Architecture. Remember we saw Master of Arts in Architecture, and now this is Master of Science in Architecture. So choose the one that pertains to you and then go for it. Master of Science in Audiology, Biochemistry, Bioinformatics, Biology, okay, Biomedical Cybernetics, Biomedical Sciences in this field, Microbiology, okay. We have Building Services Engineering, Chemistry, Built Heritage, Civil Engineering. Just check out, like for chemistry, you have part-time, see, you have full-time here, we have part-time here, we have full-time February, we have part-time February, and then if you check down there, you have, okay, they only have for chemistry, okay, yeah, see chemistry, there's also full-time for October 2025 intake, so please be careful. You have to, these are things you have to meticulously check. Okay, it's doable, you can do it. Remember I said I'll be dropping the link. So this course is so you can just go direct and check for your courses, and you take your time so you can find your own course. Okay, clinical pharmacology and therapeutics, clinical radiology, and a whole lot. Data science, digital games, digital health, economics, Master of Science. Remember we also saw Master of Arts in Economics. So this is Master of Science in Economics. Okay, engineering is here, mechanical, different fields, electrical, environmental design, environmental management and sustainability, and a whole lot, even environmental management and assessment. The field you want to go into is here. So you choose the one that pertains to you and then you click on it. Mental health is also here as well. Midwifery is here. Look at nursing. Oh, this is very sweet if you ask me. Critical, different fields of nursing that are here. Obstetrics, occupational therapy, operations research. They have a whole lot. So please click, go down and check pharmacy, Master of Science in Pharmacy, Physics, Physiotherapy, Property Management, Psychiatry, Public Health, Radiography, Space Sciences and Astronomy. Okay. Statistics, I think mathematics, I also saw mathematics here. So these are all that they have. Visual arts, social work. Then these ones are their postgraduate certificate courses, as I wanted to show you. Remember, they always have their location here. So if you need more information, you can go back and then check out more information on the particular location that where your course is located in. Okay, so let's say, for example, you want to see more information on pertaining a particular course, and let's say this is your own course, then you just click here. Okay, you click here and then you're going to see more information, careers, where you can work in after graduation, your fees. Let's see what it says. Fees. Okay, this is for your year one fees. For some programs, I think it's cheaper than this, it's lesser than this. It depends. I think the school fees depends on your programs. It's lesser than this. There's a program I saw, year one is, that's for a whole 1 year, it's 6,700 euros, and then year two is still 6,700. And oh, year one you pay this, year two new. I think for year two you don't need to pay anything again. So this covers your, which is what I was saying. In some other programs they split it. Okay, so that is it for that. And this is total tuition fees. Is this? Okay, this we are, remember we are international. We are international. You are an international student, right? So this is for those, if you know you are from, you have a European citizenship. This is where you come and see more information. You also have learning outcomes. That after the program, what are you expected to gain? The skills you're expected to gain. This is the study program. If you want more information on the study, year one and year two, and this is the course overview. If you want to see more information, need help, you can request more information, okay, and they will answer you. Even if it may take some days, but they will definitely answer you when they get to see your email or your question. So if you want more on research, this is for those coming for research programs like Masters by Research. If you want to see more information, read more information on that, then this is the course overview now, and then you can see your apply button. So this is where you're gonna come, and then you click on apply, and then it says you can submit your application online. Okay, and the deadline varies, okay, according to the intake and courses. And then we encourage all international applicants to submit their applications as soon as possible. So this is what I was saying. For February intake for international students, you can't meet up anymore. So those, if you know you want to apply, start now to gather your documents, okay? Apply for these programs as early as possible so that it will allow them, it will give them time to be able to process your application, give you an offer letter. Remember, you're going to use that offer letter to apply for that scholarship. So you can apply for that scholarship, and then you can also apply for your visa. Do you understand? So are you looking at the time frame it's going to take you to achieve all these things? So you need more time to be able to gather your documents, apply, and then wait for your offer letter, use it to apply for your scholarship, apply for visa and other preparations that you're going to make. So you have to submit your application as soon as possible. So as soon as I'm dropping this video, go to this website and look for your course, gather your documents, write your statement of purpose, ask more questions if you have more questions. Also check, okay, this is about our admission process. You can click here to read more information. English language requirements, you can also click here to get more information on that. Then when you are ready to submit your application, you will come here and click on this, and it will take you to the application window. So if you've already started your application, this is where you're going to come. It's possible for you to start your application. Maybe you couldn't finish up, you have other things to do, you log out and then come back. This is where you're going to continue. Then if you have not started an application at all, you're a first timer, you want to start a new application, a fresh application, this is where for doctoral degrees, it's here. Then for undergraduate and postgraduate, that's masters and bachelors, this is where you're going to click, and then, okay, and it has taken us to the window. Remember, you have to choose October. This is the intake you're coming for. Then you now choose your course from here. Okay, I had to choose October 1st, October 2025 intake, for me to be able to come here and then check out my course and click on it. Okay, and we still have the full time and everything. These are also, once you click on this, they will bring out all the programs that are commencing in this October 2025. So this is where you're going to click and you check for your program, and you also see full time. Be sure when you see yours, be sure that it has a full time component on it. So these are bachelors. You have to keep scrolling. If you're coming for masters, you have to keep scrolling till you get to masters, and then you click on it. You click on your program. So when you click on it, it's going to be your course that you selected is going to appear here, and it's also going to ask you mode of attendance, and it's also going to appear here, and then you're going to click on apply, and then you follow suit. Some applications will also ask you to sign in. I think after you click on apply, it will ask you to sign in, so you have to click on it. For the purpose of this video, I'm showing you your courses, and then how you can select your intake and everything, how it looks like, how the application window looks like. So I want to say a very big thank you to those who stay to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching it to the end, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, okay? If you are new to this channel, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and also click on the bell notification so you can get to see more of this. And also remember to share this information, because there are a lot of people in your circle, okay, who might need this information, who these things might be helpful for, might be helpful to, okay? Even if it does not pertain to you, there must be someone that you may know, okay, who may need this. All right, so I want to say a very big thank you to all those that stay to the end, and then I'll see you next time in my next videos. All right.